What's up, guys? So today I'm doing a Bukkit plugin development tutorial. So I've been making Bukkit plugins and I want to start doing tutorials and teaching you guys. So you're going to have to download a few things. So first off, you need to download Eclipse. I like to use Eclipse. You could use NetBeans if you want, but I'm going to show you how to use it with how to develop with Eclipse. So to get Eclipse, go to eclipse.org/downloads. And my computer is kind of slow. Now get the Eclipse standard, get the either Windows 32-bit or Windows 64. You can also choose up here. It's still loading for me, but you can choose Windows, Mac, or Linux, and then just get the version for you. So here, Windows, Linux, or Mac. So next you need to get Bukkit. So dl.bukkit.org. Go here. You want to download the beta build. You could download the development build if you click alternate versions. There's a recommended beta and development. I would get the beta build because it's 1.7.9 and it's more stable than the development build. But you can get whichever one you want. So yeah, I would get the beta build. Anyway, once you have those, I have my Bukkit on the desktop. We're gonna first create a server, so we're gonna copy this and paste this into a folder I created called YouTube Bukkit server. So we have that in here. We want to create a new text document. Change the extension to bat, and I'm gonna call it run. Now we're gonna edit it, and we want to have it called Java. Skype. Called Java. You want to tell it how much memory it has to use. So XMX 1024M, which is 1 gigabyte. And then we want to tell it it's going to be using a jar file. And then we tell it the name of the jar file. So craft bukkit -1.7.9 r0.1.jar. And next, we just want to do no GUI, saying that it doesn't have a GUI, and there we go. Now save it. Now when we run that, it's going to load libraries, and if we let that sit for a second, it will open up all our folders. So next, open up your Eclipse. It will come up with this. Choose your workspace. I chose YouTube Bukkit plugins. This is a folder I just made. It's empty on the desktop. So you don't have to have anything in the folder, just have an empty folder. Okay, click OK. Alright, so the server just finished. We can stop that now by typing stop. And also our Eclipse just finished. So let's wait for our server to stop so my computer will run faster. There it goes. Okay, so click on Workbench here. So now we have this empty workbench, and if we look in our YouTube Bukkit server, we have all these files, and we have the plugins, and that's where our plugins will be going. And also, if we look in the YouTube Bukkit plugins, we have the metadata. Alright, so I'm going to open up this so we can run the thing. Anyway, now we're going to create a new project. I want to call it Java project. And I'll just call it YouTube. Okay. Now we're going to open this, and we want to drag in this here into here. Copy files. Okay. Destination. Alright, sorry, drag it into the YouTube, not down here. Click copy files, okay? And that copies in, right click it, click on build path, and add to build path. Now right click on your source, click new, click package. Now I'm going to call it net.bobmandude9889. YouTube. So I like to do, most people do the name of their website and then the name of the plugin. And yeah, I haven't bought my dude 989.net. Backwards, by the way. And then new, and we want to create a class. And we'll call this class our main. And then in here, final thing is to extends Java plugin. And we need to import Java plugin from org.bukkit.plugin.java. Alright. So that's it for our setup. Next tutorial we'll start doing commands and stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.